Sa'yo lamang magmamahal. May tatalo pa ba sa Pasko ng Pinas? Di nalintalag kung wala kang pera pagkat tayo'y magkasama. Ibang iba talaga. Hayag kayo nga kung kuan, oy. The light. Hello, my guys. Don't touch my lipstick. Oh, my. Hey, you want to lipstick also? May sa? Lautang. Lautang manggod ko, guys. So, gila kayo akong mata. Aaminin ko na ang akong kilikili. May ang pag-asa na at ngayon nandyan ka na, di mapaliwanag. I'm so fat, my God. Di kasi ay. What you want, di? He asked me to swing. Kisya mamang, sweet o ayaw ang baby net ko. Sweet jud nang akong baby ba. Kasi kiss me. At nung dumating ang aking panalangin. Talent rin kung marka ang akong baby. Hindi pa ba siya. I'm so fat. My God. Mag-diet na ako. I plan to diet, but how I get diet? I cut my hair. So, like that. Ambot sa imo kung saan takawin mo mang kag. So, yeah. Yeah. What you doing? What he doing? I'm so fat. Am I fat? Yes, I'm fat. Too much I'm fat. I will diet if Hassan is not drink milk of me, because if he drink milk for me, he is still breastfeeding for me. I cannot control my hungry. If I'm hungry, I should be eat, and I will eat. Yeah, so I cannot diet for today's video. If my son is still breastfeeding for me, I cannot diet. Yeah, really. But if he not, if I will stop him to breastfeeding, maybe I can diet. It's okay, I'm fat, huh? So, like that. But, what I gonna do? If Hassan is eating and he not finish his food, I will eat. So, I cannot diet. Yeah, my mind is not good, you know. Because I have a lot of debt and I don't have work. I'm worried where I can get my money to pay my debt. So I plan to run away. I plan to run away, Hassan, so I can work. But I'm worried who take care of Hassan. So, what I do, I just keep quiet right now. I let God how He give money for me to pay my bill. For now, I cannot do everything. I cannot do everything. In my YouTube is I tried to apply monetization for my YouTube, but it's not working. It's not working my YouTube now. My God, don't have money. Yeah. So by the way, thank you for the people who come to my Patreon. So I have $5 there. I have $10 there. Thank you so much. So I have money little bit, but last time I have money in my Patreon. I use, where I use, Sada? I think I changed 100 real here in Saudi, and I changed in the peso. I changed to my friend. So how much the kuan? I don't know. But I changed $100. 1,500 pesos. I changed to, maybe that's 30 no. Maybe that's $20 maybe. Like that. Or $15 I think. $20 I think, like that. I changed to 100 real. Yeah. Too much worried. If you don't have work and you have utang, it's too nervous. Nervous system.